Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can download NTE Neverness to Everness game in our Epic Games. So first off, come below at the search bar and type in Epic Games. You have to have Epic Games application to download NTE. In my case, I don't have the application, so I'm going to show you how it's done in Chrome. So simply type in download NTE game in Epic Games. It will lead you to NTE page on Epic Games. Or you can directly type in store.epicgames.com and search for Neverness to Everness or NTE game. Now as you do that, get logged into your account. The game is not yet available. It will be available in July 2026, which is like less than a week apart. So go ahead and click wishlist. Once you have added this game to wishlist, you will be notified once this game becomes available. So go ahead, select wishlist. And once the game becomes available, you will get notified and you may go ahead, launch your Epic Games and download it from there. Thank you for watching.